I think the best part of the dugout experience was the ability to have family around the table, food and drinks all taken care of, get a great view of the park, just a great way to enjoy the summer. When we bought the table last year, the table was filled faster than we had spaces available, and it really caused us to look at adding a second table this year. Our employees, they loved it. Best food item, I'm a sucker for a hot dog in baseball, but certainly mini donuts were key with the kids, and burger with a little pulled pork on top was popular too. I think the opportunity for our staff to get out there and enjoy the games more frequently. We had a number of people couldn't make it last year, and this year with having 2 tables, we're going to have that many more families out there enjoying the summer fun. Just the feedback that we got, the number of text messages I got from staff on a weekday night thanking us for the opportunity to take their family to the game. It's absolutely, I think, one of the highest entertainment value things we can provide to the staff in Mankato. Absolutely a great value. I think it's just a great opportunity to network with people up there. It's a great view of the field, it's a great view of the game, but the ability to have your table, experience everything, not having to worry about food and drink, all that stuff's taken care of, and just enjoy the summer.